Hey guys, subscribe to How to Learn channel and click on bell icon notification to learn something new. Hey guys, Samkit here. Welcome to How to Learn channel. And today in this video I am going to tell you about how you can create a free logo, because logo is very important for YouTube creators, bloggers and freelancer. Like if you are working on freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, peopleperhour.com, etc., there is a huge demand of creating a logo. So if you want to learn how to create a professional logo for free, then do watch this video. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you that if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then click on subscribe button and click on bell icon notification to receive every new update of my channel. So let's start the video. So guys, everyone knows the importance of logo. Logo is very important in YouTube channel, website owner, blogger. If you are working on freelancing website like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Upwork, the logo demand is very much high in the market. First of all, I will give you an example of Fiverr of logo creating. Related, you can see here logo design, business logo design, signature logo, logo animation. Now you can see here the logo design is very important. People are charging $25, $85, $1,000, $25, and their rating is very good, and their orders has been around 1k plus. So they are expert in logo designing. Now like I open this seller, you will see here there will be 18 orders in queue. Means you can understand the logo demand is very much high. He is not able to complete the order, still 18 orders are in queue. So the rating is very good. Basic pack $25, $60, $105, you can see here. So logo is very important. So now let's talk about the logo. The website name is designevio.com. This is a very important website for logo creators because here are 3000 plus templates available in all the fields like education, entertainment, business categories, many more categories. I will tell you the details in this video. Now you can see here discover 3000 plus professional logo designs. These are all the logo designs. You can see here photography logo, gaming logo, sports and fitness logo, restaurant logo, letter logo. You can see here real estate logo, music logo. So there are thousands of templates available here. Now if I will tell you how I will make my logo. Click on make a free logo. So every company needs a logo. It's like a brand of your company, like Nestle, Britannia. All of these brands, they charge the amount for their brand name. Like you can see here the categories are industrial, abstract, animal and pet, art, entertainment, business, finance, childcare and education. Like if you have any cooking channel, then you can see here this is a very good logo. You can click on that and you can write your channel name here and type the slogan here. If you are having a real estate channel, you can see here this logo will be good for you. If you have any tech related channel, you can see here. So there are thousands of logo already given here. If you are travel channel, then you can see here this is very good for you. If you have any music channel, then you can see here. Like my categories of education, I will click on education. Now I will select any one of them. Suppose I take this, click on the logo, write your channel name, or you can write anything here related to your work. How to channel and slogan, you type learn and let others learn. My channel main logo and click on get started. After that it will design for you automatically. Learn and let others learn. Now you can see here this is something not properly set. Now I will like to first of all change the font of my this. You can see here you can change the font. There are many fonts available. According to you, you can select this. So I would select this font. No, this font is not okay. This font is okay. And now if the line this is, if you want to reduce, you can reduce the line from here also and from here also. Now I will change the design of this logo also. Oh sorry, learn and let other learn. My mistake. Learn and let them learn. So I'm just telling you the process. You can select it here. After that you can add any icon also, like the popular search. Most of the people search YouTube, game, circle, flower, star. You can see here, you can select any one of them, or you can search here according to your category. And if you want to insert any shape, you can also insert any shape, like this shape I want to enter. You can click here and add anywhere you want to add. After that you can see here line. If you want to insert any line in your logo, you can insert line. Solid shape, banner, symbol. You can see here, if you want to create a banner, you can add here banner also. After that you can, if all the process, all the editing has been done, click on again icon or text, and after that you can see here the selection of the font. After that you can increase or decrease the size also, 24, 26, 28, 36. You can see here, you can change the size also. You can change the color of the background. You can select any color if you want to select. After that you can click on bold, italic, or uppercase. Now click on effect, outline, shadow and glow. You can see here how much will be the width of the text, shadow and glow. You can select the color also of different categories. After that you can see here the spacing curve, that is the text should be in the middle, left or right, and the spacing should be between the text should be how much, so that it would be easy to read for the viewer. After that, if your logo is done, you can click on back. If you want to change the background color, you can change the background color also, or if you want to remove the transparent color, you can see here both options are available. After that, you can see the layout also. You can see here layout. So after that all the things have been done, you can click on preview or download. You can download directly, click on download and agree. You can see here your design has been successfully saved, and that downloading will be started in zip file. So this is the website. Many of you will love this website after working on this website. So that's it from the today's video. If you like the video, then do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this.